Welcome back to Pente Spotlight, where we shine a light on big tech stories without frying your brain. I'm Grace, calm, careful, and here to make sure technology wears its seatbelt. Today, we're talking about a scary phrase you might have heard online. AI is going to take everyone's jobs. Deep breath, because the truth is a lot more interesting.
And I'm Joshua, your energetic tech enthusiast, here to say, relax, the robots are not kicking us out of the office yet. According to The Economist, this whole job apocalypse idea, total humbug. Instead of destroying work, AI is actually creating brand new jobs. Some of them didn't even exist a few years ago.
Exactly. The article explains that while AI can automate repetitive tasks, it can't replace human judgment, responsibility, and common sense. That's why we're seeing new roles like AI trainers, AI risk managers, and people whose job is literally to make sure AI behaves itself. Think of them as digital babysitters with spreadsheets.
And some of these jobs sound straight out of a sci-fi movie. There are forward-deployed engineers who help companies plug AI into real business problems. And my favorite example, humans who remotely help people when self-driving cars get confused. Like, hello, yes, your robot car is nervous. Let me help.
From a safety and compliance perspective, this is huge. When AI systems deal with money, health, or personal data, someone must be accountable. That's why jobs focused on AI governance, ethics, and compliance are growing fast. AI can move fast, but humans still need to steer.
And from a business angle, this is actually hopeful. AI is shifting work, not deleting it. Companies still need people who understand customers, context, creativity, and consequences. AI is powerful, but it doesn't understand panic, humor, or when a situation just feels wrong.
So here's the serious part. Some jobs will change, and some skills will need updating. But the future isn't empty offices run by robots. It's humans working with AI, doing higher value, more meaningful work.
And the fun part? Many of tomorrow's jobs haven't even been named yet, which means curiosity, learning, and adaptability are your real superpowers.
The takeaway? AI isn't ending work, it's reshaping it. With the right guardrails, training, and oversight, humans stay firmly in the driver's seat.
Thanks for tuning in to today's Spotlight. If this episode made you think or laugh, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. We'll see you next time.